Check engine light is on for secondary O2 sensor, slow response. No big deal, I'm not concerned about that. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Well, basically, we are going to do some pulls, guys. 26 to 27 pounds of boost right now in the higher gears. 12 degrees of ignition advance at 6,000 RPM. So definitely probably over 400 wheel horsepower. The reason why I say that is because when I went to the dyno that one time and blew my engine up, we made 405 wheel horsepower at 24 pounds of boost at 12 degrees at 6,000 RPM. And right now we're at 26 to 27 pounds of boost at also 12 degrees. So if I had to guess, we're just at 400 wheel horsepower, maybe a little higher. But then again, it was a dyno jet, you know, they tend to read a little higher. From now on, I just tune the car on the street, and if it feels good, that's all that matters. But if I had to guesstimate, like I said, right around 400 wheel horsepower right now. So car's coolant temps at 154 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll start doing some pulls when it reaches 190 and oil pressure gets down to 30 or so. So let's go for a little drive, get it to warm up. Got an external mic hooked up here. Hopefully we get some better sound quality than the GoPro's internal microphone. 16 degrees Celsius, pretty good temperatures for boost, that is for sure. Try a little third gear roll on. .39 pounds of boost right there. So, you know, right around 26. I felt pretty good. The better tires are definitely hooking in third. They used to not, because I had the old tires on at the track and it would just spin coming out of that first turn. So I had to feather the throttle so it wouldn't spin, but this seems to be holding quite nicely. Let's try one rip here. Second gear. Holy smokies. Okay. 26.61 pounds of boost. Okay. Let the thing cool off a little because it's kind of scary. No knock, we're good there. Okay. Holy smokes, man. Second gear seems to be gripping too. It's nice. 26.11 PSI, according to the access port. A shot of flame shifting between third and fourth. That's what 12 degrees feels like with 26 PSI up top. I gotta say, it's kind of scary because I always still have that fear that something bad's gonna happen to the car, like the engine gets damaged or something. Like, I always have that fear. The last thing I want is for this thing to pop again, you know? Gotta make sure the tune is safe, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, first gear is kind of tough, but if you beat the hell out of it, it's kind of fun.